majestic, vibrant and captivating. Welcome to Oslo, Norway's capital, a city that seamlessly blends history, culture and natural beauty. Oslo is a city that embraces its visitors with open arms. It's not just another stop on your itinerary, it's a place where every corner has a story to tell. Known for its unique blend of medieval and contemporary charm, Oslo is a destination that lets you experience a rich history alongside modern Scandinavian life. In this video, we'll take you through the essentials of navigating the Oslo cruise port, visiting top attractions, finding the best spots for dining and shopping, and discovering practical tips to help you make the most of your day in this wonderful city. So let's begin. Starting at the cruise port. Once you've reached there, you'll find yourself in a prime location. Oslo's cruise terminals, Reviakia and Filipstadkia, are both close to the city centre, so you can jump straight into exploring. There's no need to arrange complicated transportation. Oslo's efficient public transit and pedestrian-friendly layout make getting around easy. Many top sites are within walking distance, but for spots a bit farther out, Oslo's trams, buses and ferries have you covered. If you're interested in exploring the city by public transport, you're in luck. Oslo's transportation system is straightforward and easy to use, even for first-time visitors. You can buy tickets at nearby kiosks or through the Router app, which is especially helpful for planning routes and schedules. The app will also show you any special routes or schedules that can help you make the most of your time. Exploring the sights. Oslo has an incredible array of attractions that you can visit within a single day, so let's see some of the highlights. Akershus Fortress. Just a short walk from the port, Akershus Fortress is a must-see for any history lover. This medieval castle, originally built in the 13th century, has withstood the test of time and offers a fascinating glimpse into Norway's past. You can wander through the fortress grounds at your own pace, which is free to the public, and soak in the atmosphere of the old stone walls and turrets. The fortress also offers a beautiful view of the Oslo Fjord, making it a great spot for photos. If you're interested in learning more, the on-site museum dives deeper into the history of Norway's military and royal heritage. The Royal Palace and Karl Johans Gate. From Akershus, take a leisurely walk up Karl Johans Gate, Oslo's main street. This pedestrian-friendly avenue is bustling with cafes, shops and landmarks, making it an enjoyable stroll. At the end of Karl Johans Gate, you'll find the Royal Palace. Built in the 19th century, the palace is the official residence of Norway's royal family. If you time your visit around 1:30 in the afternoon, you can witness the daily changing of the guard, a ceremonial event that gives you a unique glimpse into Norwegian tradition. The palace gardens are also open to the public, offering a peaceful retreat right in the city centre. Oslo Opera House. One of Oslo's most iconic modern landmarks, the Oslo Opera House, is another must-visit. Situated right on the waterfront, the Opera House is designed for people to walk on its roof, allowing you to enjoy sweeping views of the fjord and the city. The sloping rooftop is accessible to the public, and it's truly a unique experience to walk up and feel like you're standing on top of Oslo. The Opera House isn't just about the views though. The design itself is a masterpiece of Scandinavian architecture, combining sleek lines and natural light in a way that feels open and inviting. Even if you're not attending a performance, it's well worth stopping by. Bydgoy Peninsula and Museums. For those who want a taste of Norway's cultural heritage, a short ferry ride from the city centre will take you to Bydgoy Peninsula. This area is packed with museums that give you a deeper look into Norwegian history and culture. First up is the Viking Ship Museum, home to some of the best preserved Viking ships in the world. These ships were excavated from burial mounds and date back to the 9th century. Seeing them up close is a powerful experience, and the museum does an excellent job of telling the story of Viking life and traditions. Right next door, you'll find the Fram Museum, which focuses on Norway's polar exploration history. Here you can step aboard the original Fram ship, which was used on daring expeditions to both the Arctic and Antarctic. The exhibits give you a sense of the harsh conditions these explorers faced, and it's a fascinating look at Norway's adventurous spirit. Another highlight on Bydgoy is the Norwegian Museum of Cultural History. This open-air museum features over 150 historic buildings from across Norway, including a striking 13th century stave church. The museum's layout feels like a small village, with traditional Norwegian homes, farm buildings and shops. Walking through these settings lets you experience what life was like in Norway centuries ago, and the museum often has live demonstrations and costume guides to enhance the experience. Where to eat and shop? When it's time for a meal or a break, Oslo has plenty to offer. Akershus, a bustling waterfront area, is the perfect spot to grab a bite to eat. The area is filled with restaurants and cafes, many of which have outdoor seating overlooking the fjord. You can find everything from fresh seafood to international cuisine, so there's something for every taste. If you're looking for a more traditional Norwegian meal, try the salmon or reindeer dishes, which are often served with local vegetables and sauces. Karl Johans Gate, the city's main shopping street, is also worth a visit if you're interested in shopping. The street is lined with a mix of high-end boutiques, souvenir shops and casual cafes. Street performers and artists often add to the lively atmosphere, making it a great place to relax and soak up the local vibe. Practical tips. For those planning to visit multiple attractions, consider getting an Oslo pass. This pass provides free entry to many museums and attractions, as well as unlimited use of public transportation in Zones 1 and 2. The pass can be a great value if you're visiting several sites, and it makes getting around the city a breeze. It's also worth noting that while Norway uses the Norwegian krone, most places in Oslo accept credit cards, so you don't have to carry much cash. Still, having a small amount of local currency can be helpful for small purchases. English is widely spoken in Oslo, so language barriers are minimal. If you need assistance or recommendations, locals are usually friendly and more than willing to help. Why Oslo is worth the stop. Oslo offers a unique combination of old and new, tradition and modernity. In one day, you can explore medieval castles, walk on the roof of a modern opera house, see historic Viking ships, and enjoy world-class dining, all within a compact, walkable city. Oslo's rich history and warm, welcoming spirit make it a memorable stop on any cruise itinerary. We hope this video will help you make the most of your day in Oslo. With so much to see and do, there's something here for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Be sure to check out the video description below to book some amazing local tour options that will help you explore Oslo better. Booking independently is cheaper, and you can customize the tour as you like, so do check them out. Enjoy your time in Oslo and safe travels to your next destination.